Distribution transformers are critical equipment in ensuring continuous power supply. However, they are at risk of failure caused by transient voltages. These transient voltages occur every time switching happens as the vacuum circuit breakers, VCBs, are operated. In some network conditions and procedural operations, fast-acting circuit breakers can generate transient overvoltages inside transformer windings as they switch. These transient voltages slowly deteriorate the winding insulation, causing permanent damage, which over time may lead to an arcing fault failure in the transformer. These failures, though rare, cause unplanned system downtime and irreparable damage to the equipment, both incredibly costly to network managers. Presenting Hitachi Energy's dry-type and liquid-immersed distribution transformers with transient voltage protection TVP technology. Unlike other alternatives, Hitachi Energy's transformers with TVP technology provide complete protection from transient voltages. TVP technology makes use of varistas by strategically connecting them with the transformer windings. When high-voltage transients are present, the varistas get activated to restrict the destructive transient voltage to a safe level, protecting the transformer from transient voltages. Moreover, since these varistas control voltage levels, they work in all electrical systems without the need for costly and time-consuming system studies. They are maintenance-free and have no impact on the footprint of the transformer. Hitachi Energy's transformers with transient voltage protection, or TVP technology, offer complete protection from transient voltages and avoid unplanned downtime, keeping your operations running. Learn more about Hitachi Energy's transformers with TVP technology on this webpage, or scan the QR code below.